This battery tester is really good. Now look how small it is and look how easy it works. Correctly attach the alligator clips to the battery and the unit powers up. Then just hit quick test and it's gonna ask us what our input AH value is. On our battery, it tells us we're at 60 AH. So what we're gonna do is just hit 60 and then it's gonna go and test it. The testing speed varies on the type of test, but it's quick overall. Boom, look at this, guys. So it tells us if the battery's good. If it was bad, it would tell us right here in the bottom, but this says good battery. It tells us it's healthy 100%, charge 100%, the cold cranking amps, its current voltage 12.80. It tells us resistance and its amperage. So I went to a local auto parts store looking for a dead battery and we found one. They tested this battery and it's dead, and we're now going to use our tester to check it out. And it says replace. Look at that, guys. It's telling us to replace, and O'Reilly's system also said to replace. So this little bad boy does a great job. Now this little guy could do a bunch. It could test the battery in the car. It could test the battery out of the car. It could give you waveform data. You could review data and you could print data. Now check this out. We're gonna do battery in car. We're gonna press enter. We're gonna do a battery test like we did before. And then it's gonna tell us to clear the surface charge. It's gonna tell us to turn on the headlights for about 10 seconds and then turn them off. We're gonna go ahead and press enter, and then it's gonna ask us what type of battery this is. We have an AGM battery. Again, our battery tells us a 12-volt AGM battery, but let's go ahead and press flat plate. We're gonna press enter. And in this part, select input, we're gonna go to cold cranking amps because that's what we're looking for, and that's what covers most of the batteries, especially here in the States. So we're gonna press enter. It's gonna ask us our rate. We're gonna go ahead and hit 600. And it tells our battery's good. It says it's healthy at 100%, charges 100%, and then we have 730 cold cranking amps. It's at 12.70 volts, which is good. We have 3.33 milliohms of resistance, and we have 600 amps, just like the battery is rated for. And it says good battery. If it was bad, it would tell us, and if it needed to be charged, it would also let us know. Now, this is the same company that provides the battery monitor, the one that's sitting on top of my battery. I could check the voltage and I could track stuff with my phone. And also this is the same company that sells this OBD2 scanner that I've been using for a long time for my inspections. So these guys are awesome. Now the link is gonna be in the description. I highly recommend this. You can't go wrong with having a battery tester. It does so many things and it's only gonna help. All right guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like button. You take care. We'll talk to you soon.